one of the funnest questions that I get to ask a customer when we're looking at a finished roof and they bring up their entire maintenance team and their staff and whatnot, and they're asking questions because most of the time one facilities manager buys the roof and then they got their maintenance team, everybody else that comes and looks at it. And I bring them all together and I ask them a question. How can we make this roof more seamless? Or how could WeatherWeld have made this roof more seamless? And they start asking themselves the question. They're like, well, I don't know, guys. How can we make this more seamless? They go look over at the parapet wall that's from the top of the wall to the bottom of the drain, or they look at edge metal, or they look at a drain bowl that the WeatherWeld goes all the way into the bowl. Or if it's on a metal roof, they look at the roof and they see all the metal panels that have been encapsulated with WeatherWeld, and they come back with the same response every time. I don't think we can make this roof more seamless. And I'm like, exactly. That's what we sold you to begin with, is that you're going to have a truly seamless encapsulated roof that's designed to last for the life of the building, and it's designed to eliminate those roof leaks. And that's exactly what we do. We are the only company on the planet that makes your entire roof one encapsulated piece. From the top of the wall to the bottom of the drain, over metal, over gravel, over AC ducts, anything that you can imagine. And that's our claim to fame. That's what we've been doing for 35 years, and that's what you can have on your buildings.